Hello and welcome. Hope you are doing good. So, after learning all the setups with their confirmations, but I don't want to record for some reasons, in today's video, we are going to see storyline. Storyline is short and long-term analysis. We use it as confluence with 13x strategy in order to know where price is heading. Also to know which trade are we going to TP and which one we should hold for more profits. So we hold trades that are aligning with the main trend and we TP those are counter trend when a new setup plus confirmation is showing up. So let's start. For storyline, we use 4 time frames. We use 4 time frames. We use daily time frame with H4 time frame and we use also H1 with M30. Before going to that, know that price moves from daily fresh level to another daily fresh level. Price moves from the daily fresh level to another daily fresh level. Let's say that this is a daily level. So price moves from daily fresh level to another daily fresh level. For example, those are daily levels. We already know the meaning of fresh and unfresh levels. Only on daily time frame, every time price breaks a daily level, that level becomes fresh again and price may react from it later on. So what's the meaning of that? Okay, this is daily candles. This is a daily candle, another daily candle. Here we have A level fresh A level, and we have a gap here. This gap got broken. When this gap got broken, it becomes fresh again. So here, what we do have, we have a gap breakout fresh, and we have a classic fresh. If price goes up, just a little more, both those two levels are unfresh. And when price breaks again this level, so now what we do have, we have a gap breakout fresh, we have V level is also fresh, and we have this level got broken again, it becomes fresh, and later on price may react from one of those levels. Which level? We don't know yet, but using 13x entries, we will know which price exactly price will react from. For now, I just want you to know fresh and unfresh concepts using daily time frame. So imagine that price continue continues up. Now what we do have? We have all those levels are fresh, including this new gap, and price may react from one of those levels. If price breaks all those levels, all of them will be fresh again. All of them will be fresh again. If price touches any of those levels, it becomes unfresh. Every time price touches any of those levels, it becomes unfresh. If price breaks them again, they all become fresh again, and price may rise from one of those levels. That's the concept I want you to know about the daily time frame using fresh and unfresh concept. So for a storyline, there is classic storyline or the one all of you already know and watched in YouTube, and the storyline we use in 13x. Both are valid, both and are strong. So let's start with classic one. Classic storyline. In order to say that a bearish storyline or a bullish storyline is started, we need two main confluence or three main confluence. First one, we need a daily fresh level. Daily fresh level. Second one, we need a daily rejection. We want to see price being rejected when it touches our daily fresh level. The third one, we need H4 breakout. H4 breakout, we need to see the break of the last A or V level that got formed before price touched the daily level. What's the meaning of that? Price is heading up to touch our daily fresh level. We have a rejection, daily rejection. What's the meaning of daily rejection? We need to see a daily candle touch our level and being rejected. That's the meaning of a daily rejection. Then we need a breakout of H4 time frame, the last V level that got created before price touched our daily fresh level. Last V level for a bearish storyline and the last A level for a bullish storyline. We need to see them getting broken. So after seeing the break, the last V level got broken, then H4 will or price will print some levels on H4. Some levels on H4. And price may react from one level of those levels that got created on H4. And which level exactly? No one knows, but we do know. Why? Because the level that will reject the price always has one of our 13x entries, and the confirmation will be printed there at the right level with the right entry. So we just wait for price to come back to one of those levels got created on H4, and price will print a setup, one of our 13 setups, and will also create or print a confirmation candle or a candle X or N5 confirmations there, and we are done. We are ready to go with the trend until reaching another daily fresh level. Same thing when price reaches our daily level, our daily fresh level, we need to see a daily rejection, a daily candle rejection, and we want to see another H4 breakout got printed. Then price will react from any level that got created on H4. We don't know yet which level, but using 13 entries, we will know. Why we will know? Because price, when it reaches the specific level, it will print our confirmation, and we are ready to start the trip with the trend again. So let's do a quick recap for a classic storyline. We need a fresh daily level. We need a daily rejection on that level. And we need H4 breakout. What's the meaning of H4 breakout? We need to see a last A level or V level got broken after price touching the daily level. And when we see this H4 breakout, price will retrace to one of H4 levels got created on price get on price, that's our daily level, and will react from one of our 13 setups with a confirmation. Price will always print a confirmation before starting a storyline. So when we see our daily fresh level got touched and we see a daily rejection, we see H4 breakout, all those things already happened. We wait for price to react from one of our setups with confirmation. After this, we can say that a bearish storyline is started and we will go with this daily storyline. And we enter every setup as we got all the way down to another daily fresh level. After price reaches any given daily fresh level, we wait if we see a rejection. If we have a rejection on daily, we wait for H4 breakout. After seeing H4 breakout, we wait price to retrace to any of the levels that got created on H4. When price reaches those levels, we wait for our confirmation to go with trend. We always monitor a daily level on H4. What's the meaning of that? Let's say this is a daily fresh level. We have a daily storyline got started. This is a daily fresh level. We monitor our daily fresh level on H4. One price is coming to our daily fresh level. We open H4 and we see and we monitor this daily on H4. If the H4 got rejected here on a daily level. We keeping our trades, our sell trades big. Why? Because there is for probability that price will be rejected again and start new story. If H4 breaks our level, our daily level, we hold our trades for another daily cash level. So this is all about classic storyline. Now let's see 13x storyline. For 13x storyline, we need a daily level, we need H1 and M30 time frames. So we need to have a daily fresh level. The price is coming our daily fresh level. We need to see one of those H1 breakout or M13 breakout. We pick the recent one. If H1 breakout, if H1 last level, if the last A or V level that got created before price touches our daily level is on H1, so we pick H1 breakout. If the last A or V level that got created before price touches our daily level is on M13, so we pick M13 breakout. Remember, we use this only on New York session and when there is a big volume in the market. So what we did say about 13x storyline, we use it only on New York session and when there is a big volume in the market. We need a daily level, a daily fresh level, price coming to our daily fresh level. One price one price touches our daily level, we open H1 and M30 to see the recent V level that got created before price touches the level. The recent one. If H1 is the recent, we pick H1 breakout. If M30 V level is the recent one, we pick M30 breakout. When we see M30 or M or H1 breakout got printed on New York session and when there is a volume, we pick this range and we will look for our 13 setups. One of them will show up with a specific confirmation. We wait. We draw our levels and we wait for a confirmation. Whenever a confirmation got printed on any of those levels or any of those setups that got printed here, we enter. And we follow the trend till a daily fresh level, till another daily fresh level. This is the 13x strategy for storyline. So we need a daily fresh level, we need H1 or M30 breakout, and we need to pick our 13 setups that got printed there. We wait for our confirmation and we enter when we see a confirmation. Same thing for a bullish storyline. We need a daily fresh level. We need price to come down to our daily fresh level. We need to see M30 or H1 breakout. After seeing this on New York session, only when there is a big volume in the market. One of 13x entries will be printed here in this range. Wait for our confirmation and we'll go with the trend till another fresh daily level. So let's see a chart and pick some examples. So for example, is a big move here, here. Where did it start? This move was started here. What is the reason of these big moves? So in order to know where price is being rejected, we pick this last daily candle. We pick the wick of this last daily candle and we mark this range and we drag it to the left and we pick lower daily level in this range. The lower daily level in this range. As you can see in this range, we have this level. We have this level maybe, yes, and we have this level. Which one is the lowest one? Lower one. This, not this, not this. So this is our level, but rejected our daily candle. So we have the level that got rejected our daily candle. What we should see now, we go for H4 to see if there is H4 breakout. As you can see, H4, the last H4 level, last H4 level is here. So as you can see here, we have our H4 breakout, the last A level that got created before price touched our level. So let's go deep. After seeing the breakout, we need to mark our levels. First, we have our H4 gap, our H4 second gap. Let's go to 2 hours and see what we do have. As you can see, there is uh, nothing there. Let's pick just this A level on H2 and delete this gap. As you can see on H2, we have a classic on H2. Let's go on H1 and see what we do have. On H1 is also a classic, so there is no entry here, but we have H1 engulfing. This is our H1 engulfing. Let's go deeper on the lower time frame to see what we do have here in this range. We have H1 engulfing. Let's go to M30 and see what happened or what price was printed here on M30 at this level. As you can see here, we have, I think it's a QM. Yes, engulfing to QM with, sorry, with our confirmation, and we are ready to enter. We don't have any confirmation for the setups up there, but engulfing to QM H1 M13, we have a very good confirmation, and we are ready to go for this trade. Big 30 pips, and we go with the trend. Let's see our daily fresh level. Where is our daily fresh level? Since it is our target, so our first target in this range could be here, something here. Price may reach all those levels. This is our targets for the moment. Let's go on H4. As you can see here, our first target is at 50 pips. It's good. Imagine that we have TP hour buys here. So when price came down, let's see what we do have. So here we have a bullish storyline is started. Let's see this 4 hour levels, all 4 hour levels, and price may react from one of them. Let's see for this first gap on H4. What do we have on H2? Good. As you can see, it's a gap CC with a confirmation. Oh, it's very powerful. I love it. Let's go with 30 pips. This is another trade with confirmation, and we are always with the big trend. Let's hold this trade for hundreds of pips. Let's see another example. So let's see another example. Let's go daily time frame. Pick any random range. So let's click John. So let's pick this range. Let's see here, price reacted from this daily level, and down is reacted from this daily level. Let's see what happened here. So let's begin. We have daily rejection. Let's go to 84 time frame. Sorry, as you can see, H4 level that last H4 level that got created before price. Our level is this level and got broken aggressively, as you can see here. And here we have only one level. Is here. Yeah. So one level higher is this level. Let's go to our time frame and see what happened. Our classic H4. Classic H4 to classic CC H2. We have our confirmation like you are seeing it. I don't want to say what confirmation my students knows very well. My students know very well where is the confirmation, and this is our backend. Great, very simple. We have no drawdown. Good. Let's go to our frame. Let's go to our time frame. For our time frame. Um, got broken on H4. So let's go to iframe, to our iframe. There is no confirmation here, as you can see, but we have here to our, yep, let's go to 1 hour and see what we have there. It's up to up. I think it's not a 2 hour time frame. Let's go to 30 minutes. Let's see what happened here. So as you can see here, we have a gap to mid CC with our fucking great confirmation. Our trade will be something like this. It's good for 30 pips by this time. Here is our really let's see where we are going to TP. Where we are going to TP. Let's see our fresh daily levels. We have the closest one is this one. So we are going to TP here, fresh level on daily. So let's go to 1 hour time frame and see what happened after price reaching our level. So we TP our trades here. It's number 8 and 1, not 9.8. Good. As you can see, after price reached our level here, we have a breakout on H1. Let's see uncertain what happened. As you can see, then it closest one to our level. So we did it. Is H1 breakout. So let's see H4. Sorry. As you can see, H4 is very far. When H4 is very far, we use only M30 and H1. Let's go to H1 to pick our setups. It's time to pick the setups. As you can see here, we have multiple levels. We have a gap on H1, gap on H1. Sorry, also have gap on H1. Gap on H1. Let's go to 13 minutes. Sorry for this one. Price printed our it's gap to gap, so we don't have anything here. We have anything for this. We have a gap to gap CC, yes, but no information. And just below it, we have a CC. So we are going for this. Every time we have two setups that are very close to each other. We always choose the second one. As you can see here, we have our confirmation and we are going to set our trade for 30 pips. Go for 30 pips. Yes, very good. See where we are going to DP. As you can see here, we have we are going to take every setup that are aligning with the main trend, because the setups that are counter trend, they are not going to go. We only weak. You can take the setups that are counter trend, but I don't really like them. I want to swing my entries. So here we have a classic in M13. Let's go. See what we have. As you can see, it's a classic to a classic CC. As you can see, price left without our confirmation. In this case, we can use the second confirmation. The second confirmation, I think it will test this level. I think, yes. I don't want to go to that time frame. Our 30 pips. Good. And let's swing his setups. Both are good. Let's go to daily time frame and see where we are going. But first, we are going to 4 hour. Confirm the storyline is continuing up. Like we said, this is our 4 hour broken. So we can hold in this. If we don't have any level to yet, just hold the setups until the daily time frame shows signs that it will going to go down. There is no level to the left, so we can hold our setups for information. These setups, I took them and they are all running till now for how much pips. I'm going to left you with this. I want you to backtest and I want you to practice the storyline, the classic storyline using H4 breakout to retest to H4 levels. Use certain entries with the confirmation, the confirmations, and also use 13x storyline. It's very powerful. We can we can enter the big move even before all the rest of traders enter this move, because we have 13x entries and we have our confirmation, we have the timing, New York session, we have everything, we have 13 breakout, H1 breakout, we choose the closest one to our level. Then we use our 13x entries with the confirmation to enter a trend and yeah, being part of it and swing our subs. Yes, that's all.